At SP Jain, we place a lot of emphasis in honing the skills, not just in the class, but even outside the class. We have a program called the Professional Readiness Program with a team of professionals. And every student that joins, be it a global MBA or the MGB programs, right from day one is monitored by one of the members of the PRP teams with respect to their life skills, ability to communicate, not just verbally, but also written, and be able to make presentations. They also help them in thinking critically, preparing the CVs right, and they conduct a whole lot of mock interviews. It is these initiatives that help them get the job with greater ease. As they say, soft skills or life skill are just as important or even more important compared to what you learn in the classroom. Let me tell you, by virtue of embarking on a very intense, well-curated program with soft skill training, the students have been able to get the jobs very easily. Our conversion ratios, that is number of attempts that they make or number of interviews that they take to getting a job, has actually come down to 2:1. And this is really quite an accomplishment when the market is so uncertain. There's so many people who are applying, and the jobs are shrinking in terms of numbers. So what we do, in the class and outside the class has helped us achieve good roles for our students at very lucrative packages in the choice of their locations, depending upon they want to work in Dubai, Singapore, or London. So these are the options that they have.